In this video, we are going to discuss about how Bitcoin is heating the planet and how to fix it. The world's most famous digital currency. Think of it as digital cash you can send anywhere, anytime, without a bank. It runs on a public secure ledger called the blockchain. What makes Bitcoin unique? It's decentralized. No single person, company, or government controls it. This appeals to people who want more control over their money and to those seeking new investment opportunities. But there's a catch: keeping Bitcoin running uses a massive amount of energy. Most of that energy comes from burning fossil fuels, which drives climate change. So, is the price of digital money one our planet can afford? Every new technology must be examined for its impact on our environment. Bitcoin is a breakthrough in computer science, but its environmental footprint is huge. As we explore this digital frontier, we need to understand the problem. Only then can we work together on solutions. Let's dive in and see how Bitcoin really works. Scene transition. New Bitcoins are created through a process called mining. Instead of digging in the ground, miners use powerful computers to solve complex math puzzles. Visual computer solving complex math puzzles, then receiving a reward. The first to solve the puzzle adds a new block to the blockchain and earns new Bitcoins. This process, called proof of work, keeps the network secure but demands enormous computing power. Mining farms, warehouses packed with specialized computers, run non-stop using huge amounts of electricity. The more valuable Bitcoin becomes, the more miners join, making the puzzles harder and the energy use even greater. It's a global race for rewards, but the cost is a skyrocketing demand for power. This cycle is at the heart of Bitcoin's environmental problem. More miners, more power, more impact. Scene transition. The energy used by Bitcoin is staggering, more than some entire countries. Each year, Bitcoin mining consumes over 150 terawatt hours of electricity. That's enough to power millions of homes. Most of this energy comes from fossil fuels, leading to over 70 million tons of carbon dioxide emissions annually. That's a carbon footprint rivaling countries like Greece. In some places, old coal plants have been revived just to power mining operations. This not only increases carbon emissions, but also harms local communities. We're using polluting technology to fuel a digital revolution. The science is clear. We need to cut emissions, not create new sources. Scene transition. There's hope. New technology is making digital money greener. New breakthroughs are changing how coins are secured. Cleaner infrastructure and low-power systems are replacing huge mining farms. Proof of stake is a breakthrough. It replaces energy-hungry mining with a system of validators. Validators stake their coins as collateral. Validators are randomly chosen to add new blocks. If they cheat, they lose their stake. Honesty is rewarded, not raw computing power. Proof of stake uses over 99.9% less energy than proof of work. Major cryptocurrencies like Ethereum have already switched, slashing their energy use. Cardano, Solana. These projects show we can have secure, decentralized money without harming the planet. Innovation is driving real change. Scene transition. The future of digital money is in our hands. We can support energy-efficient cryptocurrencies and push for greener solutions. Some miners are already using renewable energy, but more change is needed. Our choices as consumers and investors matter. Imagine a global financial system that's open, accessible, and green. It's possible if we work together, developers, miners, users alike. By choosing eco-friendly options, we help build a sustainable digital economy. Science helps us see the problem and engineer solutions. Now it's up to us to act. Let's create technology that works for people and the planet. Thanks for watching. What other tech has hidden environmental costs? Let's keep exploring together. If you liked it, tap that like and hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next.